Hey everybody, Erin with Bill's Pest and Termite here for a Tip and Trick Thursday. So let's talk about ant baits. Ant baits are a fantastic tool to use, but they've got to be used right. So the poison in the ant baits is a slow acting poison. That way the ants grab it, they take it back home and it kills off the colony. So it's not an instant kill. Also, placement is key when it comes to this. You don't want to place it on top of the ant trails. You want to place it next to the ant trails. It's going to attract them in, and then they'll take that poison home. Another tip and trick, we hear this a lot. People have ants, say, in the kitchen. You don't want your ants in the kitchen, so don't put bait in the kitchen, because if you put your bait in your kitchen where those ants are trailing, they're just going to keep coming in there because they're getting their food. Eventually they'll die off, but you'll have to put up with ants in your kitchen for quite a while. So instead of doing that, you're going to go on a little hunting mission. You're going to look around the outside, see if you can find out where those ants are getting in from and place the bait there. Again, if you put it in the kitchen, they're just going to keep coming in the kitchen. Also, don't put the ant baits near any food or water. Okay, so remember that if you got a dog dish outside and they're traveling around the dog dish, don't put the bait next to them. Follow the trail a little bit farther and put it a little bit farther away. Thanks guys for joining in. If you have a specific topic you want tips or tricks on, please leave a comment. Otherwise, like and share for more. Thanks guys.